number 13. Please proceed to the center court. Ladies, players. Okay, now relax and enjoy the ball game. No more injuries, please. Jump ball. Number 7 of Hollis versus number 13. Jump ball. Make some noise! 27, no good. Same ball. Same ball. Number 8, basket. Basket by number 23. Number 23. Number 2, Diaz. Diaz dribbling the ball. Pass number 9. White ball. White ball. Number 3, pass to number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. Pass intercepted by number 13. Number 3. Pass to number 28, Chai, no good. Number 2, pass to number 9. Intercepted by number 23. Number 23, Jer, no good. Number 7, Abelas. Rebound by number 12, Vicky Blanco. Vicky, pass to number 28, number 20, no good. Basket! Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Still by number 23. Number 23. Number 7, Abramos, no good. Same ball. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time, 4 minutes. Number 28, pass to number 7, intercepted by number 11. Number 13. Number 23, Jen, no good. Pass to number 23, Jen again, no good. Number 20, pass again to number 23. Number 23, no good. Blue ball. Blue ball. Substitution. Number 15 out. Number 20 in, Garcia. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Steal by number 12. Number 12. Steal by number 20. Number 20 pass to number 9. Pikes, take a shot, no good. Number 9. Number 13, no good. White ball. White ball. Two minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. Number 28 pass to number 12, Vicky. Back to number 23. Number 23 pass to number 8, 28, 28. No no good. Rebound by number 28, take a shot again, no good. Number 20, pass to number 11. Number 11, take a shot, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, pass to number 20. Number 20, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 28. Blue ball. Blue ball. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time. Number 11. Outed by number 7. Foul. Foul by number 7. Ladies, as what I have said, relax. No more injury, please. Number 11. 14 to shoot. Number 23. Intercepted by number 12, Masada. Number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 3. Number 3, no good. Number 9. Number 9. Vicky. Number 13, Joy. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 13. 8 to shoot. Number 9. 5 to shoot. 3, 2, and 24 seconds shot clock. White ball. White ball, 24 seconds shot clock, television. White ball. Number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 28. Number 28, no good. Number 3, De La Peña, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 11. Number 11, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 9. Number 9, no good. Number 13, no good. Number 20, the first quarter. Our score: GCA 4, Guatemala 0. We would like to thank Smooth Locker for the token. To the ball game. Guatemala's ball. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Guatemala's ball. Back to the ball game. Blue ball. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala. Guatemala's ball, wide defense, just great defense. Number 11, pass to number 13, Joy. Number 13, Joy, steal by number 23, number 14, number 14. Blue ball, blue ball, Guatemala's ball. Number 20, inbound to number 13, Joy. Intercepted by number 43, number 13, Jan, number 4, foul. 2 shots by number 14, fouled by number 20. Legal contact by number 20, 2 shots by number 14. Number 14, first throw. Ay, ay, ay. Last throw. Last roll by number 14. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Steal by number 43. Number 20. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 14. Joy. Joy. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 11. 10 to shoot. Number 10. 7 to shoot. 5. 4. Guatemala. No good. Rebound by number 13. Joy. Foul. Foul by number 25. Illegal contact. 2 shots by number 13. Joy. Joy 2 shots. Joy, number 13, 2 shots. First throw. Oh! Last throw. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. Last throw. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 43. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Number 23 winning the ball. Number 23. No good. Rebound by number 43. No good. Number 25. Basket. Basket by number 21.
Pag-ball ba na?
Steal by number 43. Number 43. Number 21. Number 21, steal by number 13. Number 43, no good. Number 23. Number 23, fake, take a shot, no good. Take his own rebound. Number 14. Number 14. 10 to shoot. No good. Number 13. Number 14. Number 21. Pass number 14. No good. Substitution in, substitution. Time out, Guatemala. Time out, Guatemala. Our score, 6-0 in favor of Chesky. Starbucks. No energy, Starbucks. Back to the blue ball. Back to the ball game, coach. Coach, back to the ball game. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Number 11, Lazada. Pass to number 13, Joy. Joy, handled by number 43, take a shot, no good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, pass to number 14. Number 14, number 14, take a shot, no good. Number 23, number 14, number 14, number 14. Steal by number 25, pass to number 43. Number 43, number 43. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Oh, foul. Foul by Joy. 13 foul. Substitution. Substitution flip. Substitution. Substitution. No. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. White ball. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Same ball. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Number 28. No good. Number 23. Basket. 1 minute and seconds remaining time. Our score is 8-0. Number 14. Number 14, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 2. Number 13, Joy. Joy, pass to number 11. Number 11, take a shot, no good. White ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. Number 23. Number 23, pass to number 28. Number 28, take a shot, no good. Blue ball. Blue ball, 50 seconds. Number 11, rounded by number 21. Pass number 13, Joy. Cheesecake ball. White ball. White ball. 38 seconds remaining time. 38 seconds. Number 28, Chad. Pass number 23. Number 23 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. 27 seconds. Number 14. Pass number 13, Joy. Number 2. Oh, steal by number 14. Pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 21. Pass to number 23. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and score 8-0. Starbucks still 0. What happened to Starbucks? Picture guys, picture. Players. Takishi. Picture. Guatemala. Picture taking Guatemala. Guatemala. One more. Guatemala. Yalla, Starbucks. Okay, third quarter. Guatemala score. Change score. Our next game. Women's division. Foot Locker versus Aces. Starbucks. Guatemala score. Change score. Guatemala score. Number 11. Inbound to number 13, Joy. Joy pass to number 2, Diaz. Back to number 11. Number 11, bounded by number 7. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11. No good. Number 9, take a shot, loaded. Joey ball. White ball. White ball.
Pinalangan naman tayo ng isa.
Rakish. Number 11, layup, no good. Foul. Foul by number 11. White ball. Foul by number 11, white ball. Number 25, pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7, pass to number 26, Julie. Steal by number 20. Number 20, pass to number 9. Number 9, Pikes. Substitution left. Substitution. Substitution. Number 25 out, number 28 in. Lens, you're covering. Number 13, Joy. Joy, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, Garcia. No good. Number 2, Diaz. Basket. At last, 2 points. Mara Starbucks. Number 7. Pass to number 3. Number 3, take a shot. Foul. Foul by number 2. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 3. 2 shots by number 3. De La Peña. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good. Rebound. Oh. Nice stop by number 13, John. Number 11. Steal by number 3, De La Peña. Basket. Number 20. Foul. Foul by number 13, Joy. Two shots by Chai. Two minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Chai, first row, no good. Score is 4-8. Number 8, Chai, no good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28, take a shot. Basket! 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Number 26. Number 26, Julie. Julie, last touch, no? Same ball. Time out! 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This timeout is brought to you by Food Locker. Justin, Shake Shack, H&M, Pinkberry, Milano, Racing Things, Chevrolet, CBN.
Napagod na.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Coaches, back to the ball game.
Same ball.
Same ball.
8 seconds to shoot.
Number 3, no good. Rebound by number 28. 28. Block. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 9. No good. Rakis. Number 3. De La Peña. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 9. Take a shot. No good. Cheesecake ball. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. Number 7. Number 7, pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 3, take a shot, no good. Blue ball. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining time. Number 11. Number 11, getting the ball. Number 11, pass to number 13. Number 13, Joy. Number 13, foul. Foul by number 6. 2 shots by number 13, Joy. Foul by number 6. Substitution. Substitution. Number 20 out, number 14 in. First throw by Joy. Basket. Second throw. Second throw. Basket. 50 seconds. Seconds. Number 7. Pass number 3. Number 3, De La Peña, basket. 28 seconds remaining time. Number 11, Lozada. 17. 14. 13. 11. 10. 9. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Number 28, penalty. And in the third quarter, 2 shots by number 13. First throw. Netted. No more time, Starbucks. Last throw, no good. And in the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Fourth and final quarter. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala's ball. Guatemala's ball. Number 13, pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11, pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 14. Number 14, handed by number 12. Number 13. Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 23. Foul. Foul by number 14, Rebecca. White ball. Number 25 pass to number 20. Almost steal.
Uy! Putol lang. Lumampas pa eh. Umakyat pa eh.
Substitution, rep.
Umakyat.
Substitution. Number 25 pass to number 28. Number 28, Chai. Oh! Traveling! Blue ball. Blue ball. Number 10 pass to number 7. Number 11, Lusada. Lusada handed by number 28. Lusada. Pass to number 13. Number 13, Joy. Foul. Foul, foul, foul. Foul by number 20. 12, sorry, number 12. 2 shots by number 13, Joy. First throw. Joy. Basket. Last throw by Joy, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 11. Number 11. Foul. Foul by number 14. Cheesecake, you're now in penalty. Number 11, no good. Number 14. Number 14. Number 13, Joy. Joy pass number 10. Number 10 pass number 11. 5 to shoot. Basket. Four minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. The kiss. Number 12. Number 12, Vicky. Pass number 25, steal for number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 10. Number 10, no good. Number 11, no good. Same ball. 12 to shoot. Time out. Just game. Time out, Cheesecake. Both teams now has 2 timeouts. There. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Back to the ball game. Same ball, blue ball. Guatemala's ball.
Last touch si number 23.
Last touch by number 23. Number 10. Pass to number 11. Number 13, Joy. Joy, take a shot. Foul. Foul by number 23. 2 shots by Joy. Pushing foul. Joy, 2 shots. First throw by Joy. No good. 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining time. Last throw. No good. Same ball. 14 to shoot. The kiss. Number 12. Pass to number 11. Number 11. On it by number 7. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Same ball. 1 second to shoot. 1 second to shoot. Take a shot, no good. Big ball. 9 ball. Substitution. 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 Number 10 out, number 9 in. White ball. White ball. Number 23. Pass to number 28. Number 28, no good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 pass to number 28. Number 28 pass to number 23. Number 23, take a shot, no good. Rebound by number 3. 7 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11, handled by number 28. Number 11. No good. Rebound by number 23. Number 3, De La Peña. No good. Number 20, no good. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Number 13, Joy. Last 2 minutes. Number 9, no good. Number 23, pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 23. Number 23, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, pass to number 13. Number 11, Lusada. Lusada, steal by number 23. Number 13, Joy. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Foul! Foul by number 25. Penalty. Penalty. 2 shots by number 11. 2 shots by number 11. Our 4th game for today, still in women's division. Foot Locker versus Aces. Please prepare Foot Locker and Aces. Last throw, no good. Number 9, pass to number 13. Number 30, basket. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time. Number 23. Still the number 14. Still the number 3. Number 3, foul! Foul by number 14. 2 shots by number 3. 59 seconds remaining time. Two shots by number 3. No good. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 28. Chai. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 23. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, no good. White ball. 37 seconds remaining time. 37 seconds. Number 23. 9 to shoot. No good. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, 24 seconds. Number 3, Filipina. No good. Number 20, no good. Blue ball. 15 seconds. 15 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. Number 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. 2 shots. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 3. Fourth number, please prepare. First one, no good.